On Tuesday, February 21st, hundreds of job seekers were left disappointed after arriving at the Girls Guides headquarters on Waterloo Road, St. Andrew, for a job fair that never existed. People who spoke to Beyond the News on request of anonymity said they were notified about the event through several flyers that were circulated on social media platforms. A flyer labeled Canadian Job Fair indicated that registration would take place in the Girls Guides auditorium from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. at a cost of $2,500. However, upon arrival, job seekers were informed that no job fair was being hosted on the premises and that a car auction was taking place instead. The man operating the auction function said he was confused about the situation, having booked the venue from 8:30 a.m. until 5 p.m. for the auction. He said that he was alarmed when he first arrived and saw the crowd. Despite being informed that there was a clash, he received confirmation from the Girls Guides headquarters that their auction was still on. Despite this, some small groups of job seekers were seen with their documents in hand, seemingly anticipating that the job fair would still be held. The flyer stated that job seekers were required to bring copies of their resume, passport, biography, and job letter for work opportunities such as housekeeping, security posts, dishwashing, and front desk operation. One woman said she arrived at the event at around 7:30 a.m. and was given makeshift waiting tickets by a woman called Latoya, who seemed to be one of the people in charge of the job fair. Another woman said she was assured by Latoya that the fair was not a scam. However, the job seekers were left feeling disappointed, with one man saying, "Going to Canada would be a better opportunity. I am disappointed. The best thing is that we didn't pay money to anybody. We got tricked. Why do people do these things? Misleading your own people is sad." The incident highlights the importance of verifying information before taking action, particularly in the age of social media where misinformation can spread quickly. It also raises concerns about the prevalence of scams targeting vulnerable individuals seeking employment opportunities. Job seekers are advised to be cautious and conduct thorough research before attending any job fair or paying any fees.
Stay up to date with the latest news and find solutions to current issues by following Beyond the News on Instagram and YouTube. Our concise, step-by-step approach to news reporting offers solutions to the challenges we face today. Join our community to stay informed and engaged.